The following is a production of the University of Minnesota.
We're going to talk about some difficult sites where traditionally we've grown turf or lawn grasses, where you would want to grow a lower input grass, or because of the high maintenance difficult site that it is, you might want to put in something different. So this is a very steep slope at the Minnesota Landscape Arboretum where we've used a mixture called no-mow of fine fescues. The particular mixture we used had 7 different fine fescues in, like sheep's fescue, hard fescue, red fescue, chewing's fescue. So we used the mixture of several different ones, and we knew that these fescues would tolerate poor soil conditions. So once they were established with some watering the first fall we planted them, after that this steep slope has not been irrigated and it has not had pesticide use, and we have done very minimal, if any, fertilization. So this is a low maintenance area where fine fescues have done well. Although it's about half sun and half shade, fescues do have a good tolerance for shade. They have a good tolerance for drought conditions. We mow this area about maybe once a month. It does get some mowing, but not very much mowing, and that is fine. There is some weed encroachment here. We have some annual weeds, and we also have some clover. So we're happy to have the clover because that will fix nitrogen, and as that plant dies, that nitrogen will become available to the lawn grass or the fescues that are here. But fescues don't have a high fertility requirement. So because they will tolerate dry and droughty soils, for difficult sites like steep slopes, they really are a good choice. So the management on this has been pretty low, but I would caution you to pay quite a bit of attention to establishment, because it's important that you plant the fine fescues in the fall, and if you can water them for the period during establishment, the first 2 or 3 months, make sure they get well established. Then you can have a much better successful stand. And once you have that good stand of grass, that can compete with the weeds. We also think there might be some allelopathy with fine fescues in that they actually will kill off other plants. So that's something we're still studying and learning about. But the mixture of fine fescues is a good mixture to think about for low maintenance areas.